Is that how that's supposed to be? I don't know. I'm gonna assume it is. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I drove 3 hours. Got locked out of my truck for another 3 hours, and it's really beautiful park, I'll give it that. Drove another 2 hours to get this because I'm dumb and didn't change my address to the current house, and I had it to my old house in Texas. But I have it now, so let's open it. I already did that because I can't see. I don't want to kill him or him, so I'll give it not very good, but sorry if I'm dead. Like I said, I've been driving since 1 o'clock, and it has currently been off my roommates. I'm inflating this now. So nice. I'll give it that. Damn. So this is my second. My suit doesn't stay up. I have to look up to be able to see normally. It's annoying. This is my second Puffy toy. This is the first one I've been able to order actually from Puffy. Like actually do the pre-order, not get certified pre-order. It's collie food. Never mind, I'm just dumb. Hey, I made it in the box. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it. Oh, this stuff's so loud, I hate it. Okay. I've already got a sneak peek of the Gen3 because my old roommate had his inflated, so I've already got to experience it. So this isn't really a true first-time experience for me. But I don't care. I'm going to pretend it is, and I'm going to clickbait it as it is. Why are we calling proof everything? Why is somebody calling proof? I hate it. Oh my God. Is that all? Are you done? Okay. Oh my God, there's more. Oh, I hit something. Oh, that was my pump. It's gone now. That's all. I can't see anything. I don't have lights out here. The lighting shit, okay? It's not my fault. There's no lights over here. I think that's it. It's time to make it big. That is a questionable sentence. What part do you always inflate first? The legs or the body? Post that in the comments. What do you do first? I normally do the legs because it's kind of easier to get it to stand. At least that's what I've always done. Start with this leggy. This is the special leggy. It's got the logo on it. Alright, and fuck my roommates in 3, 2, 1. So it's fine. It'll be fine. You don't gotta worry about it warming up or anything, you know? It'll be fine. It's only just barely above freezing outside, I think. It's like 40 or something like that. I don't fucking know. I said I wasn't gonna make it tight. I made it tight. I kind of forgot about that rule I made. Well, it feels matte right here. That's weird. It's textured. This side's not textured. That's weird. Got a weird finish on that. Oh my god, these new valves. They don't want to close. It is time for a smoke break. Yeah, smoke break complete. Actually, no. Now we're good. Oh, this valve's crushed. Jam it in there. Yeah, that's what she said. Fuck, it didn't close, you fuck. I can't tell if you're closed. Closed enough. Just a valve. Not a big deal for leaks. Oh, money significantly less than the rest. That's a hard sentence to say when you're sleep deprived and been on the road for like fucking, I don't know, 12 hours or something like that probably. Well, no, 7. The other 3 were sitting on the side of the road waiting for someone to come help me unlock the keys out of my truck. Turns out I was turning the lock the wrong way. Oh, he died! It's dead. I gotta move the camera now. Fuck. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, it's crooked now. Are you crooked? I don't care. Is that good enough? I don't really know. Fuck it, let's find out. The answer is no. There it is. Gen 3 Husky. It's a dog. It's soft. It's gray. It has a curl. That's me. Me says hi. Hi, me. Me, hi. He's a dog. He's also a dog. So is he. He's also a dog. So is he. He's also a dog. So, that's a Husk. I'm gonna take this off because I'm dying, and I'm sweating, and I'm dying. And he fell over. He did it to himself. So, I don't really know what else to do. I actually ride this, that's what I'm gonna do. Bye! Oh no, I've undogged myself. That wasn't me. I didn't do that. Does this work? Let's find out. How did like vloggers do this? This is terrible. Oh, there we go.